ZANU-PF has recently dismissed the growing speculation about a leadership succession debate, insisting that the matter will not be discussed at the party upcoming annual conference in Mutare. Sadabina mashoko buda pangwene uchenokos marapira or defend a resolution to extend Mnangagwa's term of office. Panguwa idai. Patukona kuti the party is now ahead of the annual conference and was subscribed like on the bell. Speaking to the media on Monday, the party's information and publicity director, Parema Rapira, said succession issues are not on the agenda for the event scheduled for 10 to 23 October 2025. He noted that such discussions are reserved for the ZANU-PF Congress, which is only set for 2027. To clarify, succession is handled at Congress, Marapira said. We are not going to Congress, we are going to a conference. Succession is simply not part of ZANU-PF's agenda. He added that costs for succession are being driven by outsiders with no connection to the party. Most of those pushing this succession narrative are not members of ZANU-PF, Marapira said. They do not belong to our structures. And as a party, we will not entertain imported conversations. Our focus is on reviewing progress since the 2023 elections and delivering on the people's mandate. Marapira emphasized that the economy remains the party's priority. Zimbabweans voted for President Mnangagwa to continue steering the country toward economic recovery and growth. That is what our conference will be about, keeping the presidency economic vision on course, he said. He also defended a resolution passed at the last year's 21st National People's Conference in Bulawayo, which endorsed extending President Mnangagwa's term from 2028 to 2030. Resolution number 1 makes it clear that succession is not a topic within ZANU-PF, Marapira said. You cannot talk about continuity and succession at the same time. The resolution reinforces the party's support for the current leadership. Domashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe obuda panguva ine vakomana vachidefenda aiwa resolution yekusinda mutungamiri wenyika sitem. Panguva ine vachiti we are not going to discuss it by this upcoming conference. Penangombe section medu muzamafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chatinoona kuti they are adopting the resolution number 1 yakauya ikaitwa last year the previous annual conference. Penangombe section medu muzamafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like to turn the bell icon.